Our lungs are the most ignored organ of our body. Daily, they are exposed to killer pollutants and microbes that get deposited from the air you inhale. In the case of smokers, their healthy pink lungs turn black with the deposition of tar in their lungs. Regular detoxification of lungs will help in smooth functioning and help in expulsion of toxins. Here are 13 ways you can clean your lungs naturally. 1. Go cold turkey. The best way for a lung detox is to quit smoking. Nicotine and tobacco smoke inhibit lung functions and also put you at risk for lung infections and lung cancer. Going cold turkey will help you remove tar from lungs. 2. Discard dairy. To clean your lungs, get rid of all the dairy products. This will help your body exclude the toxins during the lung cleanse. 3. Bring on the green tea. Drink a cup of your favorite herbal green tea before bed to release toxins in the intestine that can lead to constipation. Refrain from overloading your lungs with tedious work during this purification process. 4. Lemons. In a tall glass of warm water, add a quarter cup of lemon juice and drink it before breakfast. You can also opt for a glass of pineapple or cranberry juice instead of lemon juice for lung cleanse. 5. Drink carrot juice. Drink at least 300 milliliters of carrot juice between breakfast and lunch, so you can alkalize your body for the detox lungs. 6. Potassium-rich drinks. For lunch, indulge in potassium-rich drinks to clean your lungs. Cantaloupe, oranges, chiku, banana, sweet potato, carrots, tomatoes, spinach, apricots, figs, dates and berries are all rich in potassium and can aid in lung cleanse. 7. Ginger. Remember your mom made a drink wali chai every time you caught a cold or cough? Well, dear old ginger helps in unclogging the respiratory tract and eliminates toxins from the lungs. The best way to consume ginger is by eating it raw, or having ginger tea. You can also indulge in a ginger powder bath for about half an hour. This will promote sweating and result in exclusion of toxins from the body. 8. Load on the antioxidants. Before going to bed, drink 400 milliliters of pineapple or cranberry juice to fight infection-causing bacteria in the lungs. The antioxidants in these drinks are very helpful for your respiratory system as they can greatly purify your lungs. 9. Take a hot shower. A 20-minute hot bath daily will aid in removing toxins. You could also add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the steam to purify your lungs naturally. The expectorant compound found in eucalyptus helps in soothing sore throat, congestion and sinus problems. 10. Oregano. Oregano is rich in natural decongestants and histamine reducers that aid in smooth nasal airflow and better functioning of the respiratory tract. Simply sprinkle oregano to your food or drinks and drink it daily to clean your lungs naturally. 11. Peppermint or pudina. This humble herb is a fantastic decongestant. Chew on 3-5 peppermint leaves daily to fight infection-causing bacteria in the lungs. 12. Yoga. Practice deep breathing for half an hour daily. This will help in flushing out the impurities from your lungs. 13. Include healthy foods, specifically for your lungs, in your diet. Water, cruciferous veggies, apples, fatty fish, beans, nuts, carrots are all foods that will boost lung health and keep them healthy. So there you go. Whether it's a lung cleanse or an out-and-out lung detox, following these simple ways can help you achieve healthy, breathing lungs in no time.